Today we will be testing the weighted OBV indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the weighted OBV indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 554 indicators, with 233 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the weighted OBV indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the setup on this is we have basically a band or a zone, kind of like Bollinger Bands in a way. And then we have this oscillating line here. We have the red line running right down the middle. What we are looking for is the oscillating line to break either below the lowest band or above the highest band. And then we are looking for the oscillating line to then cross back into this middle zone. And then we will take either a short if it's coming up from the bottom, or a long if it's coming down from the top. And so we've done this on a few different indicators, and so it's not too different than kind of our regular thing or things that we've done before. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this, and we'll take a look at how we're doing this as we kind of go along. Alright, so here is a good example. The first signal that we pick up is a long signal. We see that the oscillating line breaks down below this lower band for just a moment, and then immediately the oscillating line crosses back up above into the center zone on this candle right here, which would be a long signal. And we see that price action moves up rather nicely there. A nice little push getting us to our take profit. Now, if this was on the opposite side and the oscillating line broke to the upside, crossed this upper band here, and then crossed back down below, then that would be a short. So that's a good example of what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we picked up here was another long signal, same kind of deal. Oscillating line breaks down below, crosses back up almost immediately, and we get that really nice push to the upside, getting us to take profit once again. Let's go ahead and continue. Alright, so we pick up a short right here on this one. Unfortunately, this one does get stopped out. It got really close to the stop, but wasn't, or the take profit, but just wasn't quite able to get there before we get this push to the upside. Excuse me, and it ends up stopping us out. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Everything in focused, there and there. Go ahead and count these out, see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades, and so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. I think I did make one mistake though. I did. Let's actually exit that one out. I remember whenever I was testing, I actually had the screen pulled way too high like that, and I thought we were at the top, but we actually weren't. So that one cancels that one out, and I think the rest we are looking pretty good on. So that actually gives us what, that was 7, so 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 still meets the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Not a bad indicator. I wish it gave us more trades within 1 year's time. Be interested to see what it could do on a lower time frame, get more trades out of it that way. But all in all, seemed pretty solid. Can't complain too much. We'll go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.